Yo guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cannonball. So let's go into the Minecraft. So the one you need is obsidian, water bucket, TNT, redstone, button, net, stick, and diamond pickaxe. I just wanted that. So it's like this. It shoots very well, but let's try. Let's try it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. And I think I forgot something. Yep. I think I forgot something. Nah. Let's just make it on creative. We need a slab. Can be any slab. So let's make it against survival. My lovely world. Let's eat some steak. Can be any slab, but I want this. So we're almost done. Now just go up, up, up. We're almost done. Let's put redstone here and here. And then let's put the TNT like this. So we're almost done. And then let's look like a card that there's a light. Let's press on the right first. 1 and then 2. Just look, where did it go? See? So it's up to there. So thanks for watching and please subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys later or tomorrow. Okay, goodbye.